Hey, hello YouTube, back at it again. I wanted to do something with the cooling system. You can see me a little bit like this. Don't know, because he's building up some pressure. And I talked to Gemini and I wanted to do a little test and I want to do it together. So the thing is, I'm going to start her up and the expansion cover lid dop, expansievat dop, ga ik er even afhalen, want die slangen worden anders zo hard. Dus nou, om een moment op worden hoor. Maar niet echt, want ik laat jullie gewoon draaien. Maar je wel even geduld hebben. You must have some patience. Look at that, guys. Well, I can leave it here. Fixed it. Clean it a little bit. So, open up the hood, start it up. First we're gonna look together under the hood. Oh, I can leave that in there. A little bit windy, a little bit cloudy. Better. See, it's always on level, guys, and when I push this hose it's okay, and then when I put the other one hose also, you see something happening there. So thing is, get strong. So I had this one off and it was not stuck. This one also. The only thing is it has to be 140 pHa. Now I want to get it off. Start the motor. It looks okay. Red. It was blue and red is mixed. It's a little bit brown, but it's not the right. Got two mixed. Now start her up and then let it get warm a little bit. Do this together. And see how she warms up. Do it together. Yeah, I got my mic installed still, yes. It must be good then. Even zien. Well, she's running. Without the cap. So, if it's all good, those hoses shouldn't get hot. Don't get hot, they shouldn't get hard. So we're going also for a little bit more noise. I think the katalysator, they built it in aftermarket katalysator. When it gets out of the factory it doesn't get one. Because it's 97, early edition. Should I open up the kachel maybe? Automatisch. She's climbing a little bit. The thing is, those hoses shouldn't get hard. You can see the exhaust. We have no white fumes, so that's good. Hot. See a little bit of white fumes here. driving on LPG now, so drive and then see what it does. Begin. This is heating up already. I'm gonna do that, guys. I'm gonna do a little drive. Or not. Cold. Little walk around. Look at those rims, guys. A little bit dirty, but they change color in the sunlight. See it? Did it myself. Little dents here. It's not so nice. Little rust here. This needs to be fixed. Oh, see, that is my plaatje, guys. Ah, it's plastic. Only one cap was not okay, so I plastic. Still no running water, still cold. Not getting hard at all. See the temperature. 80 degrees. Now you tell me, boys and girls. Het wordt in ieder geval niet hard nou. So what shall we do? Do a little blocky. Do a little stroll around the block. I think you guys deserve that. I deserve that. Let it get warm a little bit. We'll see what she does. She builds up a lot of pressure. Now you can see she's 80 degrees. You have to be really close, or else you don't see it, I think. Engage. Feel a little shaky, tuk tuk. Can I also override it? See, it's not on yet. Now it's on. Okay, the sound. Always have to flip it a little back. Automatisch, maximaal. She starts in 15 seconds, I think. Now I override it. Automatisch, little stroll, boys. Car. Getting hot inside. Temperature 90 degrees. Try to keep my head as still as possible. Or else you get nausea. Oh, it's getting hot already inside. So we get hot water into the heater core. Nice the temperature. Whew, sweaty. But it's a good thing the car heating is working absolutely fine. Screaming for gasolina. Temperature stays right constant now. See? We got an extra fan in the front. That's the auxiliary fan. It's an electric one. And that one always only starts when you use the airco. But I got the airco disengaged. And it only should kick in when the engine reaches critical temperatures. And when I do a long drive, sometimes I hear whoosh, then she blows like a madman. But for now, just a little stroll, not getting so hot. Yeah, and maybe the temperature is erratical. I don't know if you can see it if I do it like this. I have to get close by. Stays constant now, very nice. Oh, and it's hot inside. I'm going to take a little left here. Little stroll around the Chadas. Look at this long unit. Wow. Wow. Unbelievable. Dit heb ik weer. Dat hadden we niet verwacht. Ja, het is een good test. Standing still and later heat. Hij gaat nu pas beginnen. Dan kan ik niet langs. Nee, wacht. Het wordt heel warm in de auto. De temperatuur in de auto wordt dat betreft is goed. Oliedruk ook goed. Oké, dan gaan we even weer onder de kap kijken, jongens. Lekker warm. Lekker warm. Getting nice and toasty inside. And see if the auxiliary fan is still quite nice, huh? Acceptable this, but can you trust it? Don't trust it. Heb ik de richting aan mij ze niet eens zijn? Jawel. Mooi gewoon. You don't hear the blinker. At least I don't hear the blinker. So it's getting nice and hot, temperature stays good. Thank you for watching, please like and subscribe. I'm gonna do a drive later on to Rijtesten. Rond de koffietijd. So I think I'm gonna take you with me on that one. Maybe I can do a duo recording with the other mic near the exhaust, because hopefully this week we're gonna let her breathe a little bit better. That would be nice. Well, temperature good, guys. Hope you cannot see. cannot see it. Oil pressure good. And the thing is getting hot on my forehead because it got overheating problem. So we're there. Okay. I'll take you with me. Parkeren. Open up the hood. De wegenwacht, die kan er wel even bij komen. Moet jij maar eens even hier. Die kleine draait ook. Pressure is up. See that? I know it's pressure. Don't want to get it up now, of course not. Not the best thing to do. So I'm going to shut it down. It's got a little, look at this Mercedes, guys. Dikker wordt het niet. Dikker wordt het niet. Zie, pressure loopt een beetje op, loopt niet om, loopt niet uit, loopt niet daar niet heen. Ik heb alleen het idee, want het water is niet echt warm. Hè? Zie je? Just get it off. It's a bit higher. Yeah, it's temperature, it's getting hot also. Cannot really say it's circulating. Cannot see it. Well, start it now. See what she does. Is that a good idea or is that not such a good idea? Never know. I wanna see it move. I wanna see the water run. Het water wordt nou wel heter dan dat ik had gedacht en had verwild en gewacht en verwacht. Een moment dan. Starting to rain. Chemische circolazione. Not really, huh? Not really. Must be, shall be, should be. I want to get another cap. It's damn nice to get the start of the rain, boys. Oh my god. Close it. Oh, thank you. Mercedes-Benz. Coffee. Coffee. Well, guys, you tell me. You tell me. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next ride. I don't know if you see anything like that.